To get the Google Gemini Pro subscription for free, open your browser and go to Gemini by typing the link shown on the screen. On the top right of the page, click on Upgrade to Google AI Plus. On the next page, you will see that the subscription is free for the entire first month. Click on Get Google AI Pro and continue. You will then be redirected to the Google Play payment page. Click on Payment Method, add your credit or debit card, and enter valid card details. Since I have already added a card, I will select the existing one and tap the Subscribe button. Now, go back to Google Gemini and refresh the page. You will see that the Pro subscription has been activated. With this subscription, you also get AI VEO3 with 1,000 AI credits, which you can use to create high-quality, state-of-the-art videos. Please like and share the video with your friends.